Security and safety are key concerns for any human being, and our brains are adept at detecting danger and risk. Children, as well as adults, need a sense of safety and security to help them thrive. Parents and caregivers play a significant role in supporting children to develop a sense of security, including a sense of self-security and solid self-esteem that allows kids to feel safe and secure in who they are. In this video, we consider practical ways parents and caregivers can support their children to feel a secure sense of self that allows them to thrive in life. Attachment is key for secure kids. The groundbreaking work of British psychoanalyst John Bowlby, studying attachment relationships between parents and infants, focused on the idea of security and certainty. Bowlby's work showed that a child develops healthy relationships with their parents, or caregivers, when they experience them as a secure base or a safe haven. This helps them to internalize a sense of safety and security that allows them to navigate the world with confidence. This is extremely important for a child in their first few years of life, as they move from having zero awareness that they exist as separate from their mother, to be confident enough to explore the world around them, find their own feet and their own voice. This transition comes as a result of the child feeling a secure sense of self, and begins with parents and caregivers offering safety and regulation for their child. So, how can parents and caregivers offer safety and regulation for their children that allows them to feel secure and confident in their sense of self? Let's look at practical tips. Notice your child's needs. Children learn that they are a unique person, with unique needs when these are noticed and responded to by responsive caregivers. Responding with sensitivity to your child's needs supports their growing sense of self. Learn the art of co-regulation. Humans are social creatures, and our nervous system influences are influenced by others. You can help your child to feel calm, safe, and secure by fostering that attitude in yourself when you interact with them. This allows your child to benefit from your co-regulation of their nervous system. In time, this equips them to learn the skill of self-regulation that supports a secure sense of their own ability to manage the challenges of life. Be consistent with contact. Children who develop a secure sense of self have experienced a connection with a loving and attentive caregiver. It is important to spend time with your child and be consistent about that contact, so they come to feel a reliable sense of safety and security. Loving contact promotes a strong emotional attachment bond between your child and you, with research showing that children who have secure attachments develop a positive self-concept. Watch your words. As a parent, you are a role model to your child. Your child will internalize the messages they receive from you, including your evaluation and judgment of them. Negative labels you say to your child are likely to stick and influence your child's self-concept. Avoid using words like lazy, greedy, naughty, and aggressive to describe your child. Make it clear that your child is not their behavior. Yes, you may not approve of their actions at a given moment, but that does not mean you do not approve of your child. Ensure your words are clear to make this important distinction explicit. Use words to convey your belief that your child can make changes to their behavior. Avoid words that shame, if you want to raise a child with a secure sense of self. Offer activities that challenge and chance for success. Your child will feel more secure in their sense of self if they have experience of testing their own abilities. Provide tasks and activities that require your child to problem solve. Avoid doing everything for them. Make sure there is a reasonable chance of success, and that activities are age-appropriate so your child experiences a positive outcome after their efforts. And remember to praise effort rather than the result. This helps to foster resilience and perseverance and will support your child to feel confident to take on new challenges, reinforcing further a secure sense of self. Takeaways. A strong, secure attachment with a loving caregiver helps a child to feel secure in their sense of self. Build a secure attachment by attending to your child's needs and seeking connection with them. Fostering your own sense of calm security will impact your child in a positive way. Use words carefully with kids, including praise for effort, to nurture a secure in their sense of self. Offer activities that provide just the right level of challenge.
If you liked our videos, please like and share them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updated videos.